Launch YouTube app. Click on search icon. Type in Craft in Canvas CNC. You will be redirected to our channel. Click on red subscribe button. You will now see a bell icon. Click on it and you will be notified on all our new video uploads. Thank you.
Things required: frame, cardstock, lights, tape and scissors.
We have a separate video on how to make frames. The link to that video is provided in the description. Please follow the video.
Let's now make origami pyramids. Take a square sheet of paper. Now fold the paper in half. To the crease made, fold the paper in half from both the sides as shown. Next, turn over the sheet. Fold the sheet upward and make a crease. Open and turn your sheet. Now fold the sheet to touch the middle crease in a form of triangle. Repeat the steps on all the sides.
After the creases are made, pull out the flap. Tuck the other side in to create a triangular pop. Repeat on the other side. Press on the crease at the middle and your pyramid is ready. Make as many pyramids you want of different sizes depending on your frame size. Now arrange the pyramids on the frame based on your desire. Make appropriate cuts and holes. Let's attach the lights. Make sure you cover the lights near to all the holes and cuts that you have made. Don't leave any gaps. I have used a big serial light because my frame is big, but you can opt according to your frame size. Tuck in and tape the lights to the frame firmly. Tape in the battery part to the frame. Bring the end of the serial light to one side. Now cover all the sides with the tape and paste a cardstock. Your lighted wall art is now ready.